Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Fabrica Keto. Today we will cook some delicious tacos with keto tortillas. It sounds delicious. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. I will leave all the ingredients in the description below. Okay guys, first of all, for our tortillas we will need 300 grams of pork skin. You can find this at any Walmart. We're gonna put this on our blender to pulverize it. Once we pulverize our pork skin, we're gonna put it on a container and add 2 teaspoons of yeast. 1 cup of almond flour. We're gonna mix this for a little bit so we can add the rest of the ingredients. Then we're gonna add 6 eggs and keep mixing. Once we incorporate our eggs, we're gonna add 2 teaspoons of xanthan gum. You can also add like a cup of cheese, but this is of your preference. This will give our tortillas a little bit more flexibility. We also will need a 1/3 cup of ground flax seed. Then we're gonna add 2 more tablespoons of almond flour. We'll keep mixing for a minute or two. After we mix all our ingredients, we should get this consistency. As you can see, it doesn't break. To make our tortillas, we're gonna need a presser or a tortilla maker like this one. The plastic I have on the presser is a Ziploc bag. I just cut it up. Put a little bit of mixture on our presser and preheat a pan in a medium temperature. And that's how we're gonna get our tortillas. After a minute or two, flipping on the other side, and here we go guys, we got our tortillas. But now guys, get ready, we're gonna get our meat for our tacos. For our tacos, we're gonna need some of this Mexican style sausage. You can find this at Walmart. We're gonna put this on a preheated pan in a medium temperature and cook it for a little bit. We're also gonna need a little bit of coconut oil. We're gonna put it on a preheated pan in a medium temperature and add our diced chicken. Add a little bit of salt and keep checking our sausage really close. We're gonna cook this for like 2 minutes and they will be ready. We're gonna put this sausage out from the fire for a minute, and once our chicken is ready, we're gonna mix them together. I can't wait to have one of these tacos. It's looking delicious. We're gonna follow our tortillas, put our meat, cilantro, and some pre-cooked onions. Oh my god, you can put as many ingredients as you want. I also add a little bit of guacamole. If you haven't seen our video, how to make a keto guacamole, I will leave all the links in the description. Don't wait and go look. This tastes really good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, share with your friends and family so they can see how to make our delicious tacos. And remember, if you want to lose weight while eating delicious, subscribe to our channel. This is Fabrica Keto. We see you soon. Bye.